All right, welcome everyone. It's Ken here with Binary Pro Strategies. First of all, I hope everybody had a safe and enjoyable Christmas this last week, and I hope that you're ready to get back and start doing some trading. We're going to do a recap here of last week's results, which actually I was surprised I did so well considering it was a holiday week. But I'll tell you what, you just never know about these markets, and last week didn't disappoint. Not every day started off strong, but it seems like as the day went on, my pattern started to get stronger and stronger, and I was able to take advantage of that. And also managing size is a big part of what I do. And for those that are members of the live chat room, I do go and discuss some of the methods I use in order to adjust size. Now, before I get started, as I mentioned in prior videos, I am going to be offering daily setups. Okay, this is something that I've been tracking for a while. I was able to actually go back historically on particularly the US 500, went all the way back to 1983. And of course, these patterns are universal. They work on all time frames, and they work just as well back then as they do today. So I'm kind of excited about actually starting to trade these dailies myself. All the results up to this point have been in a demo account. I have not been trading them live. I will be trading them live going forward starting January 1st. I'm probably going to open up just a really separate small little account, and I'm going to trade these daily. So if it's something you're interested in following, because these are brand new service. Also, this is new for me to start trading dailies. I really focus on short-term trading, but if you want to get in on the ground floor, you can start in with a minimal fee right now, and you can join us. The advantage of joining now, if you get in, is that fee will be locked in. As time goes on and I start to establish a real-time track record with these dailies, that monthly subscription will be going up. So kind of an advantage to get in now and watch what I do. Also, keep in mind that what I'm doing, I'm just providing you with my setups. I'm not considered a signal provider. I am an educator. So the best way to do this is I'm going to send you my setups. I'm going to let you know what binary I'm looking at. I have 10 different pairs that I'm going to be following, including gold, silver, and crude oil. And I'll be putting out my setups every night. So if you go ahead and you sign up for that subscription, you will be getting an email every night. And the way it works is that when that comes out at night, I will be placing my positions the night before for the next day's 3 p.m. expiry. So once I'm in a particular trade, as with my 5 minutes, I do not use stops. I do not get out early. I carry into expiration. That is the way to be successful in trading binaries, okay? You don't need to use stops. They will not work. You need to hold on till expiration and catch as much premium as you possibly can. Also, as I move forward, I'm going to be working with some of my size adjustments. That's not something that is set in place at this point. I won't be discussing that. Now, that's something that if you decide you want to study the core package, of course, the core package will go into exactly how these setups work. And I do go into, if you're also a member of the live chat room, I do go in and I talk a little bit about how I personally manage size, because adjusting size, meaning the number of contracts that I put on, are important. But the thing that's exciting about these dailies is I have not done any of that, and just trading onesies has shown some pretty impressive results. So it's not something that needs to be done, but I may personally go in and adjust some size. If you decide you want to start following these trades monthly, understand that I'm not going to be talking about size. I will be providing, like I said, the strikes, the binary that I'm getting into, the strike price that I'm going to be buying or selling at, and everything will be for the following day expiry, okay? And so once that is established after about 3 months and it's doing well and I have a live track record, I will be adjusting my rates. The other way that you can get in, if you decide you want to understand exactly how I trade the core strategy, not only on the 5 minutes, but on how I'm going to be doing it on the dailies, And if you also join the live chat room, you will also, as long as you're a member of the live chat room, you will be getting these dailies for free. It will not be an additional expense. If you decide after January 1st you want to learn the core strategy, understand that the core strategy will start with just one free week of the live chat room. After that, it's $50 a month. And then if you want the dailies, that would be an additional fee on top of it. So there are some advantages of acting before January 1st. All right, so let's get into it. As you can see, I had awesome results. This is one of those weeks. Every trade right out of the gate was a winner, so I actually hit at 100% accuracy. What that means is that my very first setup, that whenever session starts, whatever the very first trade is, that's what I'm looking at. I'm not in there. I'm not picking it. I'm not trying to choose whether this is a strong setup or not. I'm just taking whichever one comes up first, and I'm taking that trade, and you can see that I hit it 100%. So that's usually where I'm at, between 80 and 100%, which is still pretty good win rates, considering that I'm just taking taking the very first signal right out of the gate and going with it. Okay. Now the win rates, the PAP win rates, once again, these are all naked signals. You've heard me discuss what that means, so I really don't need to go through that again. But still, very impressive. Look at the Euro night session, 100%. The day says 81%. These are very impressive numbers. Okay, why this is important? Okay, is because even if you're not the best at using some of the things that I use, like EOM and pair correlations and stuff like that, you still have a very good advantage, okay, to the trade working out. Okay, so yes, you can improve on these percentages as you understand more and more about my method and what I consider to be a strong signal or not, and how to use EOM and how to use look at pair correlations and so forth. But these are still very impressive numbers, just closing your eyes and going with every buy and sell signal. Okay. Also understand that not every signal that comes out that I'm going to be in, and I discussed that whenever you become a chat member. That's the advantage of going with live chat, because I do talk about some of the trades that I don't want to take and why, or in some cases, why I will sometimes wait a little bit before placing a position on, because many times I can get better premium depending on market conditions. Okay, as far as the daily trades, once again, keep this in mind. This has all been a demo up to this point, but what I've been doing is when I go to place a trade, I do take the trade, but I'm using the live premium. I'm looking at my live account, and I'm looking at what the premium would be if I placed the trade at the time. So these are real close to what you would be actually getting going live. All right. I've decided to stick with just 2 of the patterns. I do have a total of 5 to 6 different patterns. Right now, I'm just going to be trading 2 of them on the daily. That's my PAP, and that's LMS. Those that are members understand what those are. If you want to follow these daily signals, understand I will not be going into the details of how the PAP or the LMS works. The purpose of the dailies is to show my setups, and so you can follow and see whether it be something you want to get further into and purchase a package to see exactly how I do it, and obviously to teach you how to do it on your own. Okay, so this is going all the way back to 11. This is actually the results up until the end of this week, $546. Still very impressive returns, considering that I am not adjusting size. And this is also based on a 1 contract basis. So this is why we're so excited about it. Understand there's a lot more that can be done with this in terms of when and how I add size. That's something that I'm going to be working with and probably eventually start implementing into my live account. But right now, I just want to follow it on a single contract basis. Okay, so that's kind of where we are. Now, if you would like to see some of the charts that were generated last week with some of the setups, you're going to need to be on the email list. I don't want to put them in the videos anymore. It's just because it's redundant. I send out an email every week that goes through these trades, but also there's a chart example as well. or you can go to Instagram Pro Strategies, and I do send out a daily report on the total of how I did for the total day with a chart example and what my win rate was. Okay, so that's an overall win rate. So how did overall the signals perform? What was the percentage? So that's what you're going to see. All right, so once again, if you're interested, remember, act before January 1st, and you can get these setups right now. Don't have to purchase a core package. You don't have to come into the live chat room. And you could go ahead and get these nightly setups. I'll send them to you in an email every night. And you can track along with me as I trade live to see how we do. All right, so that's it. It looks like we're almost at the end of the year. So really the next... Man, I can't believe it's already 2020. So my next recap is going to be next year, right? 2020. So we'll get you updated on how the dailies are doing. We'll give you obviously updated on how we're doing on the 5 minutes. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Or you can always get a hold of me through my website at binaryprostrategies.com. And also make sure you get on my email list, and I will send you this weekly update as well via email, and anything that may be changing down the road. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like these videos, and be looking forward for 2020. I'm going to be putting out some more free educational stuff as well to help you guys along your way in trading binaries. All right, everybody have a great week, and I hope to talk to you in the year 2020.